Hello, Dr. Chapman. This is the SolidWorks design process for a brake pedal. This is DFT 170, Engineering Graphics, instructed by Dr. Hans Chapman in the spring of 2023. This is presented by Armand McDuffie, Juan Marquez, and Tyler Davidson. Here we have the reference model that we used for it. It is a Willwood feature brake pedal. It included a blueprint with it as well, which helped a lot for a lot of the spline features and such, but I feel that it didn't give a lot of description on the actual measurements of the entire object. These are the hand sketches that we have done. Features the bottom of the base part as well as the pedal and the rest of the base, measuring up, leading from the arm to the brake pedal. For the first of the parts, we have the bracket. This is created making a horseshoe type model, extrude boss basing it up, rounding off the edges with arcs for the holes for bolt, and then filleting everything around the sides and the holes that we use for the bolt. Here we have the arm that connects the pedal and the base. I created the outline using the spline tool and then extrude boss based it up, cut out the parts that are hollowed out in the middle that we see there. Creating the hole, I first created a circle, extrude boss based it down through the hollowed out center and just made a hole there so that we could put on the pedal. Same with the rest of the other objects, or the rest of the other holes that are put throughout. We also filleted it so that way it would have a much more sleek appearance. This This is the simulation. We added pressure to the pedal, the brake pedal, in order to simulate the weight that a foot would have upon it. There's no particular stress, as usually the weight of a foot wouldn't have much effect on it. Up next is the animation. We simulated what it would be like for you to press down the brake pedal in the car, and it rotates around the base where we have put in bolts slash bars in order to make it hinge across that point. In conclusion, I feel that a lot of planning and brainstorming is necessary, and a lot of the challenging complex features we had were with, in my case, in particular, the modeling a lot of the curves and using the spline tool. We needed a lot more communication in the end, I feel, and we did have to learn a lot of new skills, including the simulation and the animation aspect of it. But overall, I think it was pretty good.